When square footage is limited, we must learn to look up. By placing decor, art, or shelving higher on the walls, you encourage the eye to travel the full height of the space. This vertical movement creates a sense of grandeur and airiness, making even the coziest cottage feel tall and proud. It's about using every inch of your canvas to tell a story without cluttering the floor.